बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। हेलो एंड अस्सलाम वालेकुम। कैसे हैं आप सब? ठीक ठाक हैं? मैं हूँ हीना जबीन, तो वेलकम करती हूँ आपको अपने चैनल पर। सबसे पहले तो आपका शुक्रिया अदा करती हूँ क्योंकि आपने अपना कीमती वक्त निकाला मेरे वीडियो को देखने के लिए। और दूसरी बात, आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करती हूँ कि अगर आपने मेरे चैनल को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो कर लीजिए और नोटिफिकेशन का बटन ऑन कर लीजिए। British couple among 4 killed in Australia helicopter collision named as Diane and Ron. Diane and Ron, 57 and 65, were from Liverpool and married in 2021. In a statement, their family said they are heartbroken and are still trying to contact friends and family to let them know. The crash happened on the Gold Coast, not far from SeaWorld in the state of Queensland, at about 2 p.m. local time on Monday. The park would have been filled with families enjoying the school summer holidays. Initial investigations have shown that one helicopter taking off, which contained 7 people, collided with another helicopter coming into land, which contained 6 people. Mr. and Mrs. Ron were on the helicopter carrying 7 people, which crashed. The 40-year-old pilot and 36-year-old woman from New South Wales also died. A 10-year-old boy who was abroad is in a critical condition, while a 33-year-old woman and a 9-year-old boy are seriously injured. The helicopter coming into land remarkable landed upright despite considerable damage to the front left section of the aircraft, where the pilot was sitting. 5 occupants on this aircraft sustained minor physical injuries, while the 6th was uninjured. Australian Transport Safety Bureau Chief Commissioner Angus Mitchell said that the incident was a tragic start to the new year. He explained that the main rotors of the helicopter taking off collided with the landing helicopter around 200 m in the air, causing considerable damage to the front section. During the process, the main rotor blade and gearbox detached from the main body of the aircraft. Mr. Mitchell told reporters, "We are very fortunate that we are not standing here with far more deaths." A sandbank made it difficult for emergency service workers to access the site of the crash. SeaWorld Helicopters, a separate company from the theme park, expressed its condolences, saying it was devastated by what had happened and was cooperating in an investigation opened by authorities exploring the cause of the crash. A statement read, "We and the entire flying community are devastated by what has happened, and our sincere condolences go to all those involved, and especially the loved ones and family of the deceased." A witness named John described to Melbourne radio station 3AW that there was a massive bang, and staff at the theme park moved swiftly to close off areas closest to the crash. नेक्स्ट वीडियो तक के लिए मुझे अभी इजाज़त दीजिएगा। अपना बहुत सा ख्याल रखिएगा। हमेशा खुश रहिएगा। बाय बाय।